Mr. Italian Stallion returns. Slippery, right, Spence? You don't care. You don't care. You ain't stopping. No smiling. Ha. My boy Andrew. You know that Andrew is ripped? I saw his abs. He's ripped. He's ripped. Tight grip, Cade. Get him, Connor. Get him, boy. Tight grip. Lean in. Lock it. Lock it. Good. Abs tight. Girl power. Mikhail's working harder than the boys. Nicky Biggs doesn't mess around. He wants those heavy weights. Nicky Biggs reminds me of 1980s pro wrestler Ivan Putski. Yeah, Biggs. Look at Biggs. Look at the Biggs over there. Biggs is getting some. Get it, Andrew. My boy Forrest, he already sweated 17 pounds. Jimmy, I don't ever wear a t-shirt, Barnes. Stay with it, Biggs. Stay with it, you savage. Jakey's not even impressed. He's not even looking. Tried not to make eye contact. Jakey Rosenthal wasn't even making eye contact with you, you know? Tried to shake it off like he's seen it all the time. Spencer's inspired. Flat back, baby. Chest up. Tight. Man, the Italian Stallion returns from Italy and he's just attacking the gym. He's attacking. Tight, baby, tight.